Hello, welcome to my video on this eBay Chinese 2.4 gallon motorcycle gas tank. It's universal, and this is how it comes in the box. Like I say, it's 2.4 gallons. This is it's supposed to be for a Honda cafe racer or something like that, but I'm gonna try to fit it to an application that I need it for. You can see right here there is a little ding, and right above the gas cap there's a ding right there. You can see the seam that runs all the way up the tank. But this, I caught this on sale for $35. So, I mean, you can't even probably get a used tank for $35. I don't know. I'm not sure. It does come with the petcock. We'll take a look at that in a second. Looks like a little rust. That's not rust. I don't know what that is. It looks like red coat, but there's no red coat in the tank. You can see the paint pretty heavily on here. But let me set it. Whoa, almost dropped it. Let us set it up here and get a little further, because the pictures on eBay are not that great. I hope that gives you an idea of what that's like. It comes with a gas cap. I have to find the keys to the gas cap. I'm not sure if I have them. I've already lost the keys to the gas cap. But yeah, you do that, and you can unlock it. And as you can see, there we go. It comes with these two keys. I mean, it's $35. I mean, this is not high dollar stuff. And this plastic feels really light and cheap. The keys feel like they'll bend easily, very easily. And I've had trouble with this cap, getting it to lock and unlock. Inside the tank looks pretty good. It came with a brown protective piece of cardboard over here, so it didn't come with the cap on it. The cap came in its own little brown or little box. So supposedly you do that. I mean, that it feels like when you go to lock it, and it's locked, it feels like it's gonna, the keys are gonna break pretty easily. Let's see if I can get a shot of those keys again real quick. Yeah, so there's the keys. It came with this box. This is what the keys came in, and the box was all smushed and just flat. So actually the gas cap came in that, not the keys. The keys and the gas cap came in this plastic, which did its job. It does seem to have some imperfections right out of the box, so that's the way it came. Just so you know, don't expect something perfect. This is all the packaging material. It was just sitting on this. This is the cardboard. It's sticky. See? This is the cardboard that came on the gas tank. It was on the little hole covering up the gas tank hole. And then This was what was just laying everywhere inside the box. This was stuck down in this plastic, and you get this cheap little petcock, which, you know, it's a petcock, and I'm sure it works. And there's your filter, and there's your some tubing. I would say, you know, this petcock will probably last. I'm not sure, but the tubing looks like a good year, one good year out of it. This will probably be fine. I mean, it's not heavy duty at all, but I don't see you buying this anywhere easily and getting very much better quality. I'm sure it would be better if you can find OEM, you know, type replacement like for a Honda, but I'm not using this for a Honda. And there's a big hole busted out in the bottom of the box. I don't know what that's for. And the side of the box is taped up pretty heavily. Would I recommend this gas tank? For $35? Yes, I would recommend it all day. This is the cheapest gas tank on eBay. It's just got a few imperfections that I'm gonna have to remove all this paint and then Bondo these little divots. There's one right there. And then repaint it to the color I want it. If I choose to use this tank. I wish I had a ruler. I would show you how wide this is, but there's a diagram on the listing on eBay that tell you about it. So, hope it helps, and see you in the next review.